We tend to work with businesses that are scaling pretty quickly, and that probably has something to do with our region that we're in. But companies that are scaling quickly, they tend to see more value in their IT, and those are the type of clients we want. That are willing to say, hey, listen, I see us being 3 times the size we are, and in a year or two, I want to make these changes now. I want to invest now in our business. So when we do get there and want to make a change like this, it's not going to be as hard. So let's make those changes now. Let's invest now and grow and scale. Well, a lot of the times our clients come to us and they say, hey, what's this thing about the cloud? What is it? It used to be, honestly, 12 months ago, they were scared of the cloud, but now clients are starting to understand that they can A, save money if they go to the cloud, B, save time, and C, save their company as far as redundancy with all their information. So the problems that come to us really aren't necessarily problems, they're more questions, and looking for answers, because gosh, you could Google what does cloud IT mean, and you can have hundreds of different answers. But if you have a local company that can sit down and explain it to you, and like I said earlier, be more of an integrator rather than a maintenance man or maintenance company, the better, in my opinion. JumpCloud really kind of filled the gap, kind of one of the last pieces that we needed to be able to take our clients' environment to the cloud, and get them away from that on-premise server, and replace Active Directory. So that was the big piece, but then there's all the ancillary pieces that JumpCloud has that is the added value that helps us manage our clients. So that's really how it fit in really well with the rest of our product stack. And also, being open and working with a lot of other products instead of trying to box itself in. It really allowed itself to work with the other products we were using. Honestly, for our team, it's been great because if you look at some of the top 5 service needs or service calls, service tickets, it's, hey, I need to reset my password, or I forgot my password. That's a big deal. And for us to be able to have one panel, be able to manage that with one password, one login, one reset, that expedites things really quickly for us. And if we can train an account manager to be able to do that, it helps out a ton. And plus security too. I should have mentioned this earlier about why clients come to us, but it's the security piece. Not that they don't trust their employees, but things happen, and when an employee leaves, you want to be able to just shut things off. You don't want to be thinking, oh gosh, did I shut everything off? It really helps with the management piece of the staff, really. The hands-on, customer service of, hey, listen, I want to come out and give you guys a little bit of training one-on-one. That's been great. And you guys offer it all the time. JumpCloud offers it all the time. Finding time for it on our end is a little bit difficult, but we want to do more of that. We're fairly young too in our pivot that we've done. So now that we've got our partners locked in and we know who we're going to go with, and we've got our structure in place, we're going to start tying those in more and taking advantage of the in-person training and stuff like that. So you guys continuing to offer that has been great, and we're gonna take advantage of it soon, I promise. But yeah, that's awesome, the personal touch.